Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanisellinselffonfire.com. I also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. Before we get started, I just want to tell you guys, make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you're washing your hands. Here in the United States, local governments are starting to shut people down. The rise of the number of the people that is catching the coronavirus has doubled overnight, so make sure that you're being safe. Having said that, guys, now let's jump into this review. We're going to be talking about a mini projector. A lot of you might be stuck at home. This might be something that you can use for your personal entertainment. Speaking of entertainment, guys, if you want to be a reseller, you want to learn how to sell internet, guys, I have a video that shows you exactly where you can go and how you can buy and how you can sell internet. Also, you want to be an IPTV reseller, you can email me about that. Both videos are $100 each, so just go ahead and email me. The IPTV thing is awesome because you're getting an APK, you're getting a website, you're getting 100 credits, reseller credits right off the bat, and you're getting a payment portal. Shout out to the IPTV services that's offering that. That's $1,500. All right, enough of the commercials. Let's jump right into the review. This mini projector. All right, here we have it. Now, this is the mini Wi-Fi projector by VIVIBRIGHT. This is the L2 model. We'll go ahead and show you what all they have inside the box, and I'm going to give you the specs of it. Now, the size of it, guys, it fits into the palm of your hand. It's not really small, but it's not really big. It's very portable. Now, you're getting 280 ANIS lumens, and the native resolution is 480. Again, this is a very portable projector. You're getting a 10-watt speaker, and you can shoot up to 100 amps projection stream with a built-in 12,000 milliamp battery, which delivers up to 2.5 hours non-stop play. Now, as you can tell, you get all of your user manuals and all that type of literature. You also see that you have this nice remote included. Also inside, you want to make sure that you open up this little box underneath, and you're going to get your power wire. You're also going to get a nice little carrying cloth case. Feels very good, nice and soft. And you're going to get the power brick that's going to power the projector. All right, speaking of projectors, let's have a look at the projector. As I told you guys, it's very small, very portable. Let's have a look around it. On the top, you see that you have some touch buttons. At the bottom, you see you have a thread for a tripod. You have a manual focus on the side, and in the back, you're going to have all of your connections: HDMI, USB, a spot to plug in your power port, and you can see the speaker right there. Now, this feels very premium in your hand, guys. I mean, this is made really well. Overall, I'm very impressed with the build quality. I gotta give it 5 stars on the build quality. It feels very good. It feels sturdy. So once again, you have those touch buttons at the top. Let's go ahead and set it up. Now, I have mine set up on a tripod, and these are your standard options that you're going to go to, so you can tweak your settings. Guys, just have at it. Now, I must say the casting option was a bit hard to do. They need to fix that, but I'm casting from my phone onto the projector, and this is how it's gonna look. Now, there is a little glitch and a little lag at times. It just depends what you're doing. It's not the best projection or screen mirror, I should say, that you can use. Now, just me playing NBA Jam on my phone, and you can see it's a bit laggy. So it depends on your phone. Maybe I have a really nice phone, and this is how it's going to look if you want to look at some programming. Now, I'm going to open up an IPTV service called DA Streams, and this is the picture quality you're going to get when you're watching live TV. Now, the color profiles and everything, once again, you can tweak the contrast, the brightness and stuff. This is how it look when the lights is on. This is how it look when the lights are turned back off. Now, once again, you can tweak your color profiles, your contrast and brightness. All right, let's see how it sounds.
Passed away, 80,000 have recovered, 113 are still pending. We even know what it's done.
Department of Public Works is right around the corner. So wake him up.
It fits on top of my volcano. Okay, cut it apart.
So there you have it, guys. It's not the best projector I have reviewed, but it definitely can be used in most situations. Again, the build quality is stunning. One of the things I wish is that they fix that screen mirroring option in the projector. It's too cumbersome, it's too clunky, it doesn't work. Other than that, you're getting some really nice picture quality, you're getting some really nice sound. I would definitely recommend this to you. It won't replace a professional home projection, but it's something you can pop out at the campsite, something you can throw in the backyard to entertain guests. It's definitely get the job done. Here's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.